wicked spell of the rhino. Gather you all on this October night. You're here to see me, Prunella, a horrible sight. With my skin oh so pale and my long hair so black, at any moment I just might attack. But I'm really not so bad, and I won't have a fit, a rage or a seizure, a nit or a wit. A witch's brew we made just for you. Its magical powers are both old and yet new. For casting a spell as sharp as a bite to make for the scariest Halloween tonight. Tonight, we gather the dead. Tonight, off with your head!
Get away from me!
Raise your glasses high, rich with brew. Let the zombies and ghosts come out to visit you. Casting a spell from me, just for fright. For the scariest Halloween